Explore Hatha Yoga physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. Hey, my name is Ellis Alawan, and I'm a certified yogi who has been practicing and teaching yoga for the last few years. Now let's read about Hatha Yoga and ways it can be helpful in your daily life. This guide can be useful for someone who's practicing yoga for the very first time and also for someone who is seeking to take their practice to the next level. Do you want to seek stress, stiffness, or a restless mind? Most people do not have balance in their busy schedules. Hatha Yoga is a method of regaining harmony, and the impact can be felt in your body, your mind, and your spirit. Here is your chance to find out how this possibly ancient technique can reconnect and calm you. What is Hatha Yoga? Hatha can be defined as what we think of as classic yoga, consisting of the various asanas or postures together with pranayama or breathing exercises. Its purpose is to work towards proper harmony in one's body and mind. The definition of Hatha is force or discipline, pointing at the significant amount of effort one needs to practice this style. Critics of the other fast-growing styles of yoga would agree with me that Hatha Yoga is a slow practice that is ideal for all practitioners. As with any other type of yoga, it also consists of exercises that can develop muscles and enhance flexibility and concentration. In other words, it is self-discipline and continuous work, but not the search for the extreme, although one can reach it. Physical benefits of Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga contains several physical aspects that can benefit health in numerous ways. The following are some of the benefits. It involves stretching and training of muscles, which may lead to better posture and decreased joint pain. Practice might help the structure of the spine become more correct, therefore making it easier to maintain back health. Hatha Yoga can also help people with balance and coordination. Most of the postures require one leg to be anchored to the ground or holding a posture throughout one or several breaths, making your core even stronger and increasing balance. Some of them have reported that he or she has witnessed enhanced blood flow as well as digestion after practicing regularly. It is quite a mild process but has great impacts on the general well-being of the physique. Expert suggestion. It's recommended to begin with such poses as mountain pose or cat-cow stretch, for instance. I find that these are good for the warm-up and getting you ready for some more demanding exercises. Mental benefits of Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga improves the state of mind and keeps one relaxed. Pleural expansion exercises show you how to take a deeper and more controlled breath, as well as how to focus on the present moment to help alleviate tension. One of the means of Hatha Yoga, which facilitates the clearing of mental clutter, is meditation. This is a chance to engage with your thoughts without criticism, and this makes you more conscious. It is common to benefit from Hatha Yoga for sleeplessness or insomnia. Some other positions, including forward fold and child pose, may help your body get ready for sleep. Spiritual benefits of Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is usually defined as a practice that helps you develop your inner self. This is not about sports or exercise, but about trying to get in touch with the real person inside you. Breathing and meditation make the person more conscious and help them feel embodied. Exercise may also improve the extent to which people feel purposeful and grateful. It grants one a chance to delve into one's subconscious self and get an understanding of what makes life meaningful. Most of the practitioners have some kind of description or narrative of their Hatha Yoga experience as something that helps them to better understand and value the concept of presence. How to start practicing Hatha Yoga. Beginner's Guide. Starting Hatha Yoga can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach and guidance, anyone can enjoy its benefits and build a strong foundation. Here's how you can get started easily. Create a dedicated space. Find a quiet and comfortable area for your practice. This space should be free from distractions and equipped with a yoga mat. A calm environment helps you focus better and enhances the overall experience of Hatha Yoga. Start with simple poses. Begin with foundational poses like downward facing dog or warrior pose. These poses improve flexibility and build strength in key muscle groups. They are easy to follow, making them perfect for beginners. Prepare your body with light stretches. Before attempting deeper stretches, Warm up your muscles with gentle movements. Light stretches prevent stiffness and reduce the risk of injury during practice. This step ensures your body is ready for more challenging poses. Expert suggestion: do not immediately jump to the complex types of yoga poses. Trust yourself and go at a pace that will be a little comfortable for you all through. It serves to minimize injuries and to guarantee long-term stability. VeriFit Life final words. Hatha Yoga has various benefits to the health of the body of the people who practice the art. It offers tangible advantages such as correction of posture and flexibility, and intangible benefits such as stress busting, focus and mindfulness, and even spiritual prosperity. Although each practice is going to be different, this holds true for every journey and can make noticeable changes to your life if practiced continually. I think that it is best to begin with a few questions. Keep the curiosity in check, and let the practice evolve organically. This means that should you choose to undertake Hatha Yoga, then remember that it is all about progress, not picture perfect. That it is an opportunity to try to push your physical and mental limits to the edge gradually. With this practice, you're taken to the next course towards the attainment of a better balanced and satisfying life.